and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Akshata and you are watching Akshata's Recipes. The theme of my channel is to keep it simple, quick, yet delicious. So like all my other recipes, today's recipe too is going to be very simple to make, few ingredients, and the end result is going to be really delicious where you're going to want to make it again and again. So let's get started with today's recipe. So friends, today let's make this lovely Phodnichi Poli. Now here are some leftover poris or chapatis. You need about 3 or 4 or whatever you have. Just cut them up or just tear them up into small little bits. And now the rest of the ingredients. So here I've just torn up about 5 poris that I had left over. This is 1 medium-sized onion, 1 light green chilli. This is our spices. We're going to use mustard, we're going to use cumin, we're going to use hing or asafoetida, and some haldi or turmeric. Now I've heated about a tablespoon of oil in my pan. Once my oil is hot, in goes some mustard seeds, about half a teaspoon. Let them splutter. Then I'm going to add some cumin seeds, about half a teaspoon. Some green chillies, that is 1 green chilli rather, cut into small bits or pieces. Then I'm going to add my hing or asafoetida and my haldi or my turmeric powder, half a teaspoon each. Then goes in my 1 medium-sized onion chopped. We're going to give this a mix. Let the onions fry well till they are a little bit translucent. And then I'm going to add up this cut up or torn up poris or chapatis. We're going to mix everything well so that the phodni or the bagar, nicely coats all of the pieces well. Then I'm going to add some salt to taste. I've gone with about 1.5 teaspoon, but you can go as per your taste and depending on the quantities of the puri or chapati. Then I'm going to just sprinkle a pinch of sugar. And then I'm going to mix everything nicely well together. And then I'm going to also add just about 1 tablespoon of curd or dahi. This was suggested to me by my sister-in-law Tejaswini. She said her mom does it and it just adds a little extra flavor and it softens up the puri or chapati a bit, yet it makes it nice and crispy and kurkurit, as you say in Marathi. So we'll just mix everything well so that the dahi or the curd also coats everything well. That dahi part is totally optional, but it really adds a nice touch to this Phodnichi Poli. We're going to mix everything well together. We're just going to cover and cook it for about a minute or so. Now we're looking for this nice and crispy and crispy kind of texture. And this dish gets ready very fast in less than 5 minutes. We don't want to overcook this Phodnichi Poli. It takes just very little time. And now I'm just going to cook it for another half a minute or so. I'm going to add a sprinkle of coriander or kothimbeer. Mix that in well. Now I always like to soak my kothimbeer or coriander in some salt water for about 5 minutes, give it a thorough rinse and then chop it up. And now I'm just going to
turn off the gas, and I'm going, or the heat, and I'm then going to add just the juice of half a lemon. Again, mix all of that well so the lemon coats all of the poris or chapatis well. And that's it, friends. Phodnichi Poli is all ready, and this is a real very delicious dish. And then just serve it up. You can also serve a dollop of dahi or curd at the side.
So friends, wasn't it really simple and with very few ingredients? So I hope you like today's recipe, and I hope you give it a try, and if you do, then don't forget to leave your comments in this comment section below. I would love to hear from you. And if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. And once you do that, then also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already by hitting the red subscribe button that you see below this video. And once you have subscribed, a little bell will show up. Just click that bell. That way, whenever I put up a video or a recipe, you'll be the first one to know. You'll get a message for the same. Also, to find me on YouTube, just type the recipe you're looking for, and at the side of it or the next to it, just type Akshata's recipes. For example, if you're looking for chicken curry, just write chicken curry, Akshata's recipes, and all my chicken curry recipes will come up. Also, I'm active on Facebook, Instagram, and I have my own blog page. All links will be down in the description box below. So thank you so much for joining me today, and have a nice day. Be safe, stay healthy, stay at home, and be kind and loving to one another. And I'll catch you in my next recipe and next video sooner than you think. Take care, guys. Bye.